Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Travis Houghton, and this is my presentation on the web tool Gliffy. Now, what exactly is Gliffy? It's a great question. It is a program that you can use on your browser to help make online diagrams, flowcharts, and pretty much a nice, easy way to organize information that you need to do for your class or for yourself even. All you need to use is internet access, unless you have the premium edition, which is a monthly fee, which you can actually access it offline, and an internet browser to open it up with. Now, again, this is a pretty simple place to look for, www.gliffy.com. If you see that symbol, you found the right spot. And there's a list here of pros and cons. I could go through it, or I can just kind of touch on it whenever I explain my experience with the process. Whenever I open it up, it's pretty easy to grasp. It kind of has a list of things on the side. You can make your shapes and fill them where you need to. Very creative aspects. There's a lot of things you can do, and it seemed to work really well. And I'm just going to click play here on this video for a little more detail on the process.
Gliffy is one of the most popular ways to create and share diagrams online. This video will show you how to make great-looking flowcharts and diagrams using Gliffy Online. To get started with Gliffy Online, simply visit gliffy.com and enter your login credentials. If you're not already using Gliffy Online, feel free to give it a try for free. No purchase or login necessary. Gliffy gives you a variety of options when creating a diagram. You can start with a blank diagram, or use one of our pre-builts. The Gliffy diagram editor is running within your browser, so no additional downloads or installation is required. Creating a new diagram is as easy as dragging shapes from the shape library. Simply click on the shape to add text. With hundreds of shapes to choose from, creating the right kind of diagram is easy. To create relationships between your shapes, use the line connector tool. On the right, you'll notice the properties box. You can change features of the shapes, such as size, color, position, text properties, and a whole lot more. When you're ready to save your diagram, click on Save and enter your file name. Your diagram can now be found within your Account Documents folder. Gliffy automatically protects and tracks changes every time you save a diagram. So whether there is one person or 5 working on a diagram, you can always keep on top of changes and revert if necessary. From the File tab, you can save and export into a variety of different formats, including SVG, XML, JPEG, PNG, and even print to PDF. Check out these great examples of what you can do in Gliffy. It's just that easy to create great-looking diagrams in a fraction of the time using Gliffy.
So before watching the video, it was a little hard to see all the different things you could do with it. It kind of throws you right into the process of building, but it was simple enough that I could actually pick up on how to make just basic flowcharts. Now, that's where one of my concepts of a pro and a con is. It's simple to just jump into it, but it's actually a very complex system. And because of that, it's great for making concept mappings, even using something to teach a lesson, or just organizing basic data for a classroom process. And because you can actually share it with other people, it can be also used for group projects for students if they need to do any sort of projects for you as well. Now, again, this is just a picture, a simple sample, and you can see where the symbols are on the left. You can drag them over, as the video said. These sites over here are actually the user manual that's from the Gliffy site, as well as the another Wikipedia type user guide for it. And again, if you need to find any further information, you can easily go back to that video to explain it more. And I hope you understand now the basic concepts of Gliffy and the use that could be used for your classroom. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.